பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புத ரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புத ரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.
Now, Buddha from Buddhism, Bantha Buddha Prakash from Buddhism. Let's all give a big clap and welcome him.
My pranam to all the respected Gurujis, spiritual heads, and my namaskaras to all my sisters and brothers. The theme of the interfaith meet is to reflect on journey together, marching towards peace and communal harmony. First of all, we are all human beings. The religion and gods, we are not talking about that. We born as a human being, we living as a human being, and finally we are passing away as human being. From birth to death, what we need? The whole country is suffering now. Why? What can religion help? This is the question. India is a colorful country, having all the religions, and the India is a troubleful country now. Why? We love all the religions, but inside the religion, there is a casteism. Anybody can give a solution to this, to eradicate this casteism? Thousands of interfaith meet may held. Remain this casteism remains in the India. So that's why first we have to do, we are human beings. At the time of birth of a baby, who is there? We are not a divine beings, we are not a animal beings, we are a human beings. At the time of delivery of a baby, man is there. Somebody is there. After delivery, somebody take to protect the child and mother. Day starts day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5th year. And the child growing, it goes to school. Who is going to help the baby? Parents. They are the human beings. Okay, the child got admitted in the school. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. He finished his education. He become a elder. Then who is going to select a bride and bridegroom? Human beings. They conduct a marriage. Then again they started. The life begins. Again they are going to give a birth to a child. Okay. Then this parent $40 years, $50 years, $60 years, $70 years. The age is going on. If they fell in ill, people used to carry them to hospital. There is a doctor. He is going to diagnosis, not a God. Whether he needs a surgery, he make a surgery. Whether he needs a medicine, he give a medicine. Again he come back. Finally, the person is going to die. At the time, who is there? Humans are there. They are taken into burial ground and the cremation they will do. From birth to death, who is supporting us? Human beings. That's why we have to love humans. We have to live with humans. And any problem comes, we have to solve with humans. All the religions are good one. All the religions say peace and harmonious life. Here is His Holiness the Pope Francis call. It is our belief that we are called to work for the construction of a new civilization of love and solidarity. New civilization of love and solidarity. If you want to create a new civilization of love and solidarity, we have to observe our moral quality. So, this is what Buddha says. Everybody should follow this Shila. That is Panchashila. Panchashila is enough to create this peace and communal harmony. What is the 5 precepts? One is Padasipata Veramani Sikka Padam Samadhyami. I refrain from killing any living being, whether it is a human, whether it is an animal, any living being. This is the first one. The second one is Adinadana Veramani Sikka Padam Samadhyami. I refrain from stealing. The third one is Kamesu Michachara Veramani Sikka Padam Samadhyami. I refrain from illicit work, illicit relation to any woman or any gents. The fourth one is Musavada Veramani Sikka Padam Samadhyami. I refrain from telling lie. And finally, Surameraya Majjapama Dattana Veramani Sikka Padam Samadhyami. I refrain from taking intoxicating drinks. We have now 135 crores of people in India, total in the world 750 crores of people. If everybody practice this sila, what will happen? No thefting, no killing, no sexual misconduct, no lying, no any dangerous by taking intoxicating drinks. We can see the society as Eden Garden. So that's why it needs mind purification. Without mind purification, it never happens to go together. Because ego is there. We have to destroy the ego by practicing meditation, How to meditate? We have to train the mind to develop the mental culture. In forthcoming year 2021-22 onwards, the 21 is now going to end another 2 months. Now forthcoming 2022, we wish our journey together with peace and communal harmony. We are with every religion, with everybody. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.
பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புதர் இயேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புதர் இயேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.